welcome back. Today we are making quick service Gari Yorkor, the vegetarian vegan way. What you will need for it is a canned kidney beans, veggie cube, one of it, crushed red pepper, about 1.5 cup of water, your gari, because this is Gari Yorkor, onion in this reusable thing. You can have your tofu. Okay, let's start cooking. So as that start to boil, go ahead and drain your kidney beans from the can and then put it in the water. When you drain the can, you will notice that inside it, let me dress the basumo. So when you go to drain your kidney beans, the first top part, which was what we already put inside, that one is good that you drain it, and if you rinse it, that's good. But the bottom part, certain juiciness can sink to the bottom of the can. Put this part directly into your pan that is boiling on the stove. Reduce your heat down to medium. So that part that is very thick, if we were coming to boil these beans from scratch, we were coming to get this. But since we didn't boil it, I like to keep that bottom part. And I will even take some of this warm water and rinse the can with it and pull it back inside the pot. On medium heat, boil this mixture for 20 minutes. Time's up. Go ahead, turn off your heat. The water should be brown like this, and because of the stuff that was on the bottom of the can that we put in, that added or that helped so that the water can be brown. We want it to be brown. It make the Gari Yorkor juicy. Let go face our food. And the other part that I forgot to include is your palm oil. I need bigger spoon. Hold on. There we go. So now go ahead and add your farina. We call it Gari. Gari, or some people call it Farina. In Liberia, we call it Farina. I know it plenty about the African food. And because I'm hungry, I will not heat up the oil like we normally do. Since this beans is hot, it will all melt together. Since it's hot. So add in as much oil as you want. That looks very beautiful. Look at it. Cheer. I come in blaze now. I get my tofu here. Look at how that thing looking pretty. Okay, my people, that is here vegetarian vegan Gari Yorkor.